This is our habitat by Building D. Yes!
So the length of our site was 2.4384 meters, and the width of our site was 3.048 meters. Over on the quadrant, you can see the alpine currant. We had 3 of our target species, and they are located in quadrants 1 and 3.
This plant is non-native to this environment, and its energy source is the sun and the sprinklers. It's also a producer.
Another species in our habitat is a ponderosa pine. Its species name is Pinus ponderosa, and it is a non-native species. The energy source is the sun and the sprinklers, and it is a producer.
Another key organism in our habitat is the roly-poly. We found it all over crawling around the trees.
This entered our site by the gardening crew. This also entered our site by the gardening crew. In fact, all of our habitat entered the site by the gardening crew, because we are in a gardening area.
The nitrogen cycle starts by the nitrogen entering the soil, where it undergoes nitrogen fixation, where bacteria convert it to a form usable by plants. This is called assimilation. It leaves the site only when a plant dies or an organism who has consumed a plant dies.
The water cycle is that it enters the site by way of sprinklers and occasional rain. It leaves the site by evaporation and transpiration.
The cycle for carbon is it enters the site from the lumber factory and also from fossil fuels from cars, and by cellular respiration. It leaves the atmosphere by photosynthesis.
On our trophic level diagram, the energy flow starts from the producers, which are the pine and the alpine currant. Then the energy flows on to the second level, where the roly-polies and the bees are found. Finally, it flows on to the third level, which the spiders are found in. For each level that energy travels up, 10% of the total energy is lost. At the bottom of our food web, we have our producers, which are the ponderosa pine and the alpine currants. The primary consumers, in this case, are roly-polies and bees, consume the producers. Then the secondary consumers, the spiders, eat the roly-polies and the bees.
Come on, roly-poly. Come on. Gotta get moving. Come on. Go back to your family. Family! I'm pushing you. You should walk by yourself. Go!